Good morning, everybody. It is the 11th of November. I want to go over the earthquakes that happened overnight. Let's see here. There was a 4.4 New Zealand at 45 miles in depth. There was a 4.3 New Zealand at 30 miles in depth. Now, Kodiak, Alaska had a 3.1 at 31 miles in depth, and it took over 32 minutes for USGS to decide to put that on there. There was a 3.0 Iona Sea at 5.6 miles in depth. Peru had a 4.0 at 65 miles in depth. Get rid of the smoke, you don't need to be seeing it. There was a 4.2 Tangistan at 91 miles in depth. There was a 4.6 Kuril Island, Russia at 6.2 miles. They still didn't have that mileage up when I wrote this down. There was a 4.0 Pakistan, 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.5 New Zealand at 21 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 New Zealand at 75 miles in depth. There was a 4.9 Japan, Honshu region at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.4 Iona Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 Bone Bolago, that's Bolango, and that was at 17 miles in depth. Spain had a 3.1 at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 2.5 Parker Field, California at 4 miles in depth, and then there was a 4.9 Mid-Indian region at 6 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Naples, India border region at 6.2 miles in depth, and then Fiji had a 4.3 at 394.2 miles in depth. That's all I got for right now, guys. It was real busy. USGS took a long time getting their thing up. They said it was a 5.5, so they downgraded it from a 5.6 to a 5.5. So I'll keep an eye on things. I'm going to go check out not only California, but Yellowstone, and see if they've gotten theirs up. They still, 2 days now, haven't gotten anything up in Yellowstone. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. You get 2 thumbs up in my book. Have a great day.